Hey, what's up, YouTube? What's up? So, dog. What's up, guys? Damn. What's up? Kevin Minder. What's up, buddy? Look, I got my phone back. LG Rumor 260. Look at that. Oh, nice phone, eh? Bullcrap. Sliding keyboard. Shitty. Freaking. Okay, it's garbage. Shittiest phone on the market. Never buy it. Okay, I just got this back from LG. It's that piece right there. Sorry, guys. Piece right there where the light's shining. See that little square right there? Beside the camera? That's supposed to be a rubber piece. Here's a picture. Sorry, its camera's kind of messed. See where that black square is, where I highlight? There's a rubber piece beside the camera. Picture off the internet. This is the second time they've done that to me. They've taken it out, never put it back in. A bunch of jerk-offs. Read that. LG equals shit. LG. Oh fuck! You can't see it. Sorry for the camera control, guys. I'm sorry. LG equals shit. Okay, and for the guy that thinks. Sorry, guys. The guy that said I'm using an aftermarket charger, buddy. Here, prove you wrong. That's a stock charger. It came with the phone. Okay. Say it's Canadian one. Stock. This is not aftermarket. Got it back. Oh, and also look, I killed the phone. Look, it's dead. I got it back this second time from repairs. Says it had life in it. Look now, it's dead. Shit. And look, that's the same battery. That battery I've had in this phone since I've purchased it. Garbage phone. Don't buy it. Okay, here's the work order. Can you see that? Sorry, you can see that. Sorry, wrong way. It's a Cellulab. The guy said we don't outsource it. Bullshit, you guys do. It's a Cellulab. And I'm pissed off, and I'm in talks with Virgin to get another phone. So keep you guys posted. That's the update. And once again, shit. LG equals shit. Oh, even better. Better for you? Shit. LG shit. So, buy Samsung phones. Samsung. Oh, by the way, if you guys want a good phone provider, Virgin Mobile. Best phone company out there. Thanks again, guys. Appreciate the comments on the video. And to Repo Rich, buddy. You're the best. And by the way, I'm buying a Got Bad shirt. Love your YouTube channel. Repo Rich, you're the best, buddy. O-Doc from Canada. Peace out, guys. Peace. I'll keep you guys posted if I get a new phone or not. So, this is an update video. Peace, Repo Rich, you the best.